Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can add cover paste only in CapCut PC. So you can see like this, but isn't pretty inaccurate I think, but you can make it. Just drag your video you want to edit and just going to add a sticker. Select cover up sticker here and make sure on her page like so, and just going to motion tracking, select both for direction, enable full scale and distance, and then make sure on the head on sticker, make sure on sticker, and just going to tap start, so you can getting the upper page only in CapCut. So yeah, basically, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.